All right, so we just wanted to show you, this is the 19 Edge. And there's some things that are different from the Fusion instructions you had. There's obviously a bunch more lines coming over the top. So we were going to follow your instructions to pull the intake and removing this stuff. Then we came up here and we found this. So it looks like on the 19 Edge, there's a spot in this line here. It goes into the intake. I think we should be able to pull this off and pull this off and put your catch can in its normal location over here, just splicing into this. I wanted to get your opinion, see if you've seen it or if you agree with that. Get back to me and let me know what you think. Thanks. Yeah, this is just a quick mock-up of what I was just talking about. Okay, we took your catch can, mounted it forward towards the firewall. It fits in here nicely. That gives you a pretty short run. I have pictures that I'll also include from there to the 2 points I described earlier, here and here. So if we could do something like change this, point it back, and have a very short connection there, and then come back and connect up here later. So let us know what you think. Okay, so on the left is the bolt that you have in the kit. This is the size on the right. It was a 10 millimeter head. Don't know what the thread pitch is, but it was definitely metric. 1.5 maybe pitch, but it's got to go into this, as you know. So just for visual reference, that was the difference.